Ever wondered what goes through a soldier's mind in the heat of battle? It's a world away from the movies. It's not about being fearless, it's about managing fear. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of a soldier, the raw, unfiltered experience of fear, focus, and fire. Let's start with fear. It's a fundamental human instinct, and soldiers feel it just like anyone else. The pounding heart, the shallow breath, the cold sweat, it's all there. But training transforms this primal response. Instead of freezing, soldiers learn to use that adrenaline surge. Fear becomes a signal, a heightened state of awareness that makes you notice the slightest sound, the faintest movement. It's what keeps you alive. Military training is relentless, repetitive, and designed to build muscle memory. When fear kicks in, you don't have time to think. You have time to act. Your body just knows what to do. It's a process of conditioning the mind to see fear not as a stop sign, but as a green light for action. It's about acknowledging the fear, nodding to it, and then getting the job done anyway. This brings us to focus. How do you maintain concentration when chaos is erupting all around you? The answer is a phenomenon often called tunnel vision, but for a soldier, it's a trained skill. In a high-stress environment, your brain naturally filters out non-essential information. You're not thinking about what's for dinner or what you did last weekend. Your entire world shrinks down to your immediate surroundings, your team, and your objective. This is tactical tunneling. You focus on your sector of fire, on the movements of your squad mates, on the voice in your radio. It's an intense, almost meditative state. Each soldier is a piece of a larger puzzle, and your focus is locked onto your specific role. You trust that the person to your left and the person to your right are just as focused on theirs. This shared focus creates a web of interconnected awareness that is incredibly powerful. It's not about ignoring the danger, it's about prioritizing it. You learn to triage threats, dealing with the most immediate one first and moving to the next. Your mind becomes a rapid-fire processor, constantly assessing, deciding, and acting. And that leads us to the final element, fire. This isn't just about pulling a trigger. The act of fire in a military context is the culmination of everything we've discussed. It's the physical execution of a decision made under immense pressure. It is a direct result of managing fear and achieving razor-sharp focus. Every action, from aiming a weapon to calling in support, is deliberate. It's about fire discipline, knowing when to engage and, just as importantly, when not to. Hasty actions can have devastating consequences, so every move is calculated. This is where the brotherhood and sisterhood of the unit become paramount. You are firing not just for yourself, but to protect your team. This sense of responsibility is a massive motivator. It overrides personal fear. You might be scared for yourself, but you're more scared of letting your team down. That shared purpose transforms a group of individuals into a single, cohesive fighting force. The bond forged in these moments is unbreakable. It's a trust that goes beyond words, a silent understanding that you have each other's backs, no matter what. So, the mind of a soldier isn't an emotionless machine. It's a highly adapted, incredibly resilient human mind. It's a mind that has learned to dance with fear, to harness it as a source of strength. It's a mind trained to narrow its focus to a pinpoint, shutting out the noise to see the mission with perfect clarity. And it's a mind that acts with purpose and precision, driven by a profound sense of duty to the people standing beside them. This mental fortitude is the unseen armor every soldier wears. It's not about being a superhero. It's about being human and pushing the limits of what that means. It's about courage, not in the absence of fear, but in spite of it. If you found this look into the soldier's mindset insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating topics. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.